Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you today a very cost-effective way of getting supplies for your crafting. And I have found that attending other crafters' auctions is by far the cheapest way, even cheaper than going to thrift stores. And even if you don't use everything, if you do resell and you see something that people are selling and you can get it for a low price, you know, you're helping them out, plus you're helping yourself out. So there's nothing wrong with getting them. So this big, luscious package came from Miss Keisha. I got this beautiful fabric. I believe this is a napkin, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, and the doily. I love the way she packages things. I love this doily. And anytime you see large doilies like this, anywhere, thrift stores, yard sales, auctions, whatever, grab them, because you can cut them apart and make different doilies for your little things. And this little piece right here has a little stain on it, but I'm almost positive I can get that out. And if I can't, it's no big deal, because I can cover it with something else if I make a doily cluster. Beautiful table napkin. It's a very thick lace. I remember getting this now. I need this for some upcoming kits I'm going to be making. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, well, maybe I'm not. And those will make beautiful flowers, too. Yeah, those will make some really beautiful flowers. And there is a lot of it here. A whole lot of it here. Let's see. Oops, can't show this. I thought that was somebody else. I probably already did show it. Bubble wrap. Okay, I'm the only person on earth that does not like bubble wrap. Oh yes, the bag of jewelry. Do you know how many embellishments we can make with just this one little baggie? This is amazing. Anytime you guys see these, grab them. You can make so many different things. Some trim. I think I have this trim, but that's okay. Just a little bit of trim here. When you see these embroidered table scarves, not only because they're old, but because you can make copies of this on your copier and make digital prints. And this one isn't going to be used for cutting up or crafting. This one's going in my bedroom, because it's beautiful and because it's pink. And did I buy this? Uh-oh, I wonder if I got somebody else's. This is a little girl dress. I'm going to stick this to the side. I remember her showing these, but it's not a color I would buy. And she sent some trim. I remember somebody else buying that. I'll go back and watch the video. I don't know why I did buy it if I did. Unless it was for the fabric, but it's not really a color I would normally buy, so. I remember joking about the creepy dolls. Okay, here I have some laces and some fabrics. This is pretty. And just as this will go perfect for one kit that I'm going to, well, more than one. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, I didn't really realize what it looked like on the video when she was selling. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous material. bought a book. I bought a book. Mommy Makes Embroidery. Yes, I did, because I wanted to copy the patterns and the pictures off of them. Can't you just see that on a pocket? Yeah, I remember buying this now. And this is the S&H Green Stamps book. Some bling. A whole bunch of bling. Oh my goodness. Wow, these suckers are heavy. I bought these because I'm going to put vintage ladies' photos inside the heart here and use for journals. Wow, these suckers are heavy. If you see her selling these again, guys, you need to buy them. This is good stuff. And let's see, I got 2 bank envelopes. Oh yeah, the stamps. So, oh, I got 3 of them, so I bought 3 of these. And, you know, you can never get enough of the vintage stamps because you do so much with them. And you don't have to use them and give them away. Put them on your copier, copy them, and then you have them, and you can just cut them out and put them on whatever you're making. So thank you, Miss Keisha. I love everything I got. I'm not sure about that dress or why I would have bought it, but unless I bought it to send to somebody else that does boho. But anyway, if you're missing a dress, I have it. Let me know. I can send it on to the person who did buy it if it wasn't me. And thank you very much. I enjoyed everything I got, and I really enjoyed your auction. See you soon. Bye-bye.